Hello everybody, how are you? My name is Sandeep. You are watching Passive Income. Today is day 18 of our $1,000 challenge. If this is your first time coming to my channel, please click subscribe button. I will be really thankful to you. So today is day 18 of our challenge. This is called $1,000 per month challenge. I will be showing you my result from ground zero. Let's check our result of day 18, whether we got any sale or not. Let's open our Home Business Academy. Click here. To click here, you have to click the members login. This is Home Business Academy dashboard. Click the affiliate zone, then Sam card affiliate login, and this is. Let's see if we get sale or not. Okay, no sale today also. We got last sale on October 29 and today is 31st. So no sale. No problem, guys. No problem. We will do our job. We will do our basic things. And we will continue promote this product till we get $1,000 per month. And it's not so difficult as it looks in initial days. Yes, we are getting sales almost after 5 days. But as we promote daily, this gap will reduce drastically. I'm sure, and you will see also that this gap will reduce. So there is no problem if we get sale or not. Yes, today is day 18th, and for last 18 continuously we are promoting this all-in-one $25 business, and we have got 3 sales. So we have got 3 sales. We are trusting this process. I am trusting my traffic source and see how it's go in future. So now just jump to our product, which is $25 all-in-one digital business. This is a funnel builder which you can make any type of website for any of your clients. It may be restaurant, it may be saloon, it may be general store, it may be anything, it may be dental clinic, it may be anything you want to promote online. You can promote from this site. It will provide you all the features which you need to develop a very good website, but just costing $25 per month. Yes, these features are available on other funnel builders also, but they will cost you almost $60 to $300 per month, which is very costly in initial days. Since I'm not a techie guy, as I have already tell you, I'm as simple as you. I'm also do my job 9 to 5 daily job Monday to Saturday. But after coming back to my house, I invest 30 to 45 minutes daily in this business, because I have made target that I will achieve this $1,000 passive income. It will help me to clear my small bills like electricity bill, telephone bill, any bills you can say. But since this is a funnel builder, but since I'm not I'm not techie background. I'm basically a medical related job. My job is medical related, so I'm not a techie background. So I I do not promote this. Sorry, I do not own any websites. I only promote this product as an affiliate. So why I promote this product? What is the advantages, or what is the good thing about this product? Yes, the main thing that I look after any product to promote is residual income. They will provide you residual income for life. Yes, that's very important to get residual income month after month, year after year. But sorry, but my dear friends, how much every funnel builder or they will provide you residual income. There are many products apart from funnel builder. There are many products which they will provide you residual income. What is residual income? We first have to know what is residual income. Residual income means that any person purchases this $25 all in one business from your affiliate link, you will get commission. And next month, if you rebuild that business, you again will get commission. Till then, till he continuously own this business, you will get commission month after month, year after year. That's why I'm saying we have to make a base. Yes, initial time it will require investment, it will require your patience, it will require your time. But at one point of time, when you get almost 50 clients, you will get $1,000 every month. Yes, you have to work hard. I'm promoting this product daily. I'm making this video daily. That's why I'm very hopeful that I will achieve my targets. So, yes, they are providing you residual income. So, what's the difference between another funnel builder and this funnel builder? Because they are same, and yes, they will cost less. This business will cost you less money than any other funnel builder. But since we are not a techie, we are not building website. So what's the difference? The main difference is here, which no company, no business will give you. They will give you 80% commission of every sale generated for life. 80%, my dear friends. 80%. What's that mean? That if any person buy this product from your affiliate link, you will get 80%, which is $20. But if we again rebuild next month, you will again get 80%. If we again rebuild next month, you will get 80%. That's why it's very, very lucrative business. No other business will give you this much of commission. You just have to work one time. You have to get your client one time, and after that you will get residual income for life. Yes, my main goal is to achieve $1,000 per month to get passive income. Anybody can do this business. You may be retired person, you may be housewife, you may be single mother. Any person can do this. It doesn't require whole day. You just have to invest bare minimum half an hour to get going. But my dear friends, you have to start. That's the main problem. You can watch any videos. There are a lot of videos available in the YouTube. You can watch, but if you do not start, you will not get anything. When you start anything, 50 to 60% you have achieved your target, even when you start. My dear friends, don't watch only YouTube videos. You have to implement. Implement is the main source to achieve your target. I'm working for last 25 years continuously my 9 to 5 job. So I'm earning, and I'm earning, and whole my family is happy because we are getting good income. For that, you have to come out of your shelf. You have to go out to work to earn money For online business you don't have to go anywhere, but you have to start. If you do not start, you will not make anything. This is not product that this is not the only business you can start. You can start whichever business you like, but my dear friends, start. Only then you will achieve your dreams, or you have any goals in future. So coming back to this business, they one more thing, this is a very genuine company, legitimate company. They have already paid $2 million in commission to people just like you, like me, like affiliates. $2 million. So my dear friends, come out of your shell and start promoting which you like. I'm not saying you just promote this product only, any product you like. So to join this business, you have to click here. This is the checkout. You have to enter your name, last name, email address, billing address, payment method. They are also providing you free bonus for only 2 weeks. What is that bonus? I will show you. They will be providing Home Business Academy Premium, which is traffic and conversion. What is this Home Business Premium? They will teach you how to drive traffic from free sources as well as paid methods. They will teach you step by step. They will, in this funnel builder, they will teach you how to drive traffic to this business from YouTube, from Facebook ads, from Facebook page, from solo ads, from blogging. Everything they will cover. It's the best. You can test for 2 weeks. If you like, you can purchase. It will cost you $125 per month. You just have to click. Initially you have to give $25. So these are the happy peoples, what they are seeing about this product. So how are now you have seen the product. So how to drive traffic to this business? There are a lot of traffic source available which you can choose. There are email marketing, there are solo ads, there are Facebook ads, there are Google ads. There are lots of traffic available in the market. But I only prefer email marketing. Why? Because Google ads, Facebook ads are very, very costly. I don't want to invest so much money on that traffic source. Because since I want that traffic source which is convertible, and it's economical. So my main traffic source is my lead gen secret. Why I'm saying that this is a good traffic source? I will not say this is a brilliant. I will not say this is the best. Definitely this is not the best. But this business helping me to achieve my target. It will cost you just $30 for 300 leads every day. USA based leads. When you join MLGS, you have to pay initially $60 initially, which is $30 one-time setup fee and $30 for your leads. So my dear friends, why I'm promoting you when I'm saying this is not the best? So why I'm promoting? Because the main thing is that it will cost me one account, it will cost me initially $60 and after that $30 per month. They are providing me US based leads, which is almost 95 to 98%. And moreover, I don't have to go and buy any other autoresponder. They have already included it in this system, autoresponder. So you just have to click an email. Nothing you have to do. Just cut and paste, cut and paste. Only you have to do this. This is the website of My Lead Gen Secret. It's a very simple website, but very effective and very good looking. You have to just click members login. I have total 9 accounts in this. 9 accounts in this, and the total of 9 accounts, I have almost 300,000 leads. I am with this system for last, I will say, 8 to 9 months. More than 30,000 leads are in my system. Yes, this is not a best traffic source, but it is very effective. As you have already seen, I have got 3 sales in last 18 days from this traffic source. And in past, I have used this traffic source for my other business, where I have already generated more than $1,000. So I trust this business. I trust this system. And you can just check out if you want to join. You can click in my description. I send my link there. Today I have sent 52,900 leads here. I will show you my leads. This is to October 31st. These are the leads. These are the leads. Look at that. Whole US based leads. US leads. It's a very good traffic source. When you buy solo ads, 300 to 500 clicks, they will cost you exactly that number, $300 to $500. But this is a numbers game in my lead gen, because these leads don't know you and you also don't know them. They can only trust you when you email them on regular basis. Only then you can achieve or get any sales from the system. If you email today, then forget 2 to 3 days, again email them, it will not get you any sale. You have to email every day, whether you buy 1 account, 2 account, or 5 accounts. You have to email. You have to be very consistent in your business, in your life, to achieve something. Yes, you can watch other YouTubes and they are getting lots of sales, but you don't have to discourage. I'm also not getting any huge sale, only 3 sales for last 18 days. But I'm confident that I will achieve 1,000. Since this is not my primary business, I'm a job related person doing 9 to 5 job daily, Monday to Saturday. This is, you can say, my part-time job. But on that part-time job also, on my business, I'm very much honest. I'm making videos on daily basis. I'm promoting this business on daily basis. My dear friend, if you promote, if you do anything daily, you will get success one day. That's why I'm saying, don't get discouraged that you are not getting sales or you are not getting anything. You just promote. One day you will see sales will pop up regularly on daily basis. When you see the videos of other affiliate person who are making sales on daily basis, you have to see their past. They make consistent. They are consistent in their job. That's why they have achieved this. You have to see the hard work they have put to get here. So my dear friends, don't lose hope. Come and join this business and achieve your dreams you want to achieve. Thank you for watching. We will meet tomorrow.